questions focused on velocardiofacial syndrome, a variant of the 22q11.2 deletion syndrome, emphasizing palate, facial, and cardiac defects. Question 1. A 4-year-old boy is brought to the pediatrician for delayed speech and frequent ear infections. His parents report that he has trouble with pronunciation and nasal-sounding speech. On examination, he has a long face, prominent nose, and a small jaw. Echocardiography reveals a conotruncal cardiac defect. A chromosomal microarray reveals a 22q11.2 deletion. Which of the following additional features is most likely to be present in this patient? A. Hyperphagia and obesity. B. Hypotonia and macroglossia. C. Hypercalcemia. D. Cleft palate. E. Cafeolate spots. Correct answer D. Explanation. Velocardiofacial syndrome presents with facial dysmorphisms, palatal defects, e.g., cleft palate or velopharyngeal insufficiency, and conotruncal heart anomalies, e.g., tetralogy of Fallot. It is caused by a 22q11.2 deletion. A. Prader-Willi syndrome. B. Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome. C. DeGeorge syndrome often causes hypocalcemia. E. Neurofibromatosis type 1. Question 2. A 6-year-old girl presents with learning difficulties, nasal speech, and a history of frequent middle ear infections. Physical exam shows a broad nasal bridge, slender fingers, and notched ears. An echocardiogram reveals truncus arteriosus. She is diagnosed with velocardiofacial syndrome. Which embryologic process is most likely disrupted in this condition? A. Fusion of the medial nasal prominences. B. Migration of neural crest cells into the pharyngeal arches. C. Formation of the interatrial septum. Apoptosis of the thyroglossal duct. E. Division of the truncus arteriosus by the spiral septum. Correct answer. Migration of neural crest cells into the pharyngeal arches. Explanation. The 22q11.2 deletion affects neural crest cell migration, disrupting the development of structures derived from the 3rd and 4th pharyngeal pouches. This leads to craniofacial anomalies, palatal defects, and CHASH, conotruncal heart malformations, characteristic of velocardiofacial syndrome. A. Involved in midline facial defects. C. Affects septal heart defects, not conotruncal. D. Related to thyroglossal duct cysts. E. Affected secondarily, but not the primary embryologic defect here. Would you like more vignettes or an illustrated